Thank you for buying this 13581 ceramic electric kettle from Fixture Displays. This kettle features red and white polka dot design. Weighs about 3 pounds, a little less than 3 pounds. The base is 6 inches in diameter. The wire is managed underneath, can be taken out and put back very easily. The base has a protective film. You can peel that off to reveal the stainless steel nature of that ring. The cable is about 25 inches long. The kettle measures about 7 inches tall and has 1000 milliliter or 1 liter capacity. This is how you position the lid. And this is a locking position. You can rotate it back and remove the lid. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. The water level indicator is for your protection. Make sure you don't overfill. If you do overfill, there are channels inside to drain the water out. If you see water coming out, check if your water level is above the maximum. It is designed to discharge like that. And this is on-off switch. Once it's boiled, the switch turns itself off automatically. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.